Oh, hello everybody. Um, we got a tripod. I'm getting the hang of this whole vlogging thing. Over there we got Otis. Hi Otis. You want to say hi to peoples? Hello, pretty boy. Hello. Good job, bud. Good job. Oh, your fans are gonna love that. So today, so far, all I've managed to do is have breakfast. It was a delicious breakfast. But I do need to clean the bathroom like thoroughly today, and I realized I am out of the homemade toilet cleaner. So we're gonna be working on that, and then I can get to actually cleaning the bathroom. So let's get started on that. Welcome to Deep Blue Laser Struggles to Make Things. Today's bizarre concoction is going to be toilet bombs with your favorite doTERRA essential oils. Today we are going to be flipping that recipe card so you can actually read it. Alright, and first of all, we're going to put in 1 cup of baking soda, followed by a 1/4 cup of citric acid. And we're gonna mix all of that together, get rid of all those beautiful, beautiful clumps of stuff. I say stuff when it's baking soda and citric acid. I just said that. And then we're going to put in 10 drops of On Guard essential oil. Of course, this one is running low, so I'm going to have to pop the cap off in order to get those drops of oils in there. Luckily, we get it eventually. Next, we're going to mix all of those together because, of course, we got a liquid in there with baking soda, so of course it's going to clump up. So we got to break up those clumps all over again. And then, after all of that, we're going to put in 10 drops of doTERRA's blend of Purify. This one will actually pour out just fine, so we don't have to worry too much about it. And of course, we got to mix it all together because liquid with baking soda. So we got to get all those clumps together to make sure, or break them up, so make sure the Purify is mixed in with everything. I can speak real good. I can speak good. I speak good English. Next, we're going to take a spray bottle that just has water in it. You can use tap water or you can do distilled, whatever you want, as long as it's just water. You're going to spray that sucker down. Stir it up, spray it again, stir it up, spray it again, stir it up, and just keep that cycle going until your mix can actually firm up and kind of hold its shape in your hand if you clump it together in a nice fist. Next, we're going to pour that sucker into our mold of choice. I got these beautiful flowers because flowers make me happy, and it's really fun putting little flowers in the toilet. I don't know why. I'm weird that way. So we're going to push them in there so it's nice and firm in the mold. And then when all of that is done, we're going to spray it down with some water to make sure it firms up correctly. And then we're just going to let it sit for 4 hours to dry and firm up. And there we go. We have toilet bombs. Alright, so now all we gotta do is clean up this mess. Leave these alone. Just let them be for 4 hours. But we just gotta get our mess cleaned up. Clean up, clean up. Everybody help. Clean up, clean up. Or as my niece says it, he hop, everybody help. Ah, those were the days. That was a few years ago. She was like 2 or 3, just learning to talk, and her preschool would sing that song when it was time to clean up. Sorry for the shaky camera. I'm trying to put my jacket back on. Yeah, her preschool taught her that song, but she couldn't fully say the words yet, so she just kind of made the noises. So cleanup was he hop. He hop, he hop. Oop. It's okay, it's an empty On Guard bottle. We'll get that taken care of later. Welcome to Deep Blue Laser does her physical therapy. Hello. We're going to now fast forward this because it is very boring. It is literally just me changing positions every 30 seconds. I'm sure you are all wondering why I have to do this. Why am I doing physical therapy? Well, it's very simple. Back in November, I sustained a head injury that resulted in me dealing with chronic migraines for months on end. Until finally, back in June, I managed to meet with a neurologist who figured out that the injury that I sustained, while it didn't result in any neurological damage, he believed that there was some issues with my neck and shoulder muscles that were causing the constant migraines. So now I am doing physical therapy to get those muscles to relax, get them to work properly again, and it is actually helping. My migraines are actually very slowly going away. I just have to keep doing this until they tell me to stop. Yeah, what you doing over there, bud? What you doing? You having fun with your blankie? You having fun with your blankie again? Yeah. You gonna climb Mount Everest? Got this thing. I always turn this light on when I'm doing laundry. Whoop. Because I just like to see what I'm doing. Alright, so we got Ibiod laundry pods. One of them burst in there in shipping. So yeah, it's just a little pod. You can kind of see it in there. Alright. So we have it set. Oh, it's already on small load. Perfect. We want to do cold because we have a lot of darks in there. We have blues and we have blacks. There we go. Ultra clean. Alright, there we go. I'll let that do its thing. Yeah, we just have abode laundry pods. Actually, let me see. If I look in there. Do you guys see it? Oh, it's blurry right now. I'm trying to get to focus. Okay, I fished them out. We actually had 5 pods that burst. Let's see if I can feel another. No, I think that's it. Good. 5 burst pods. I don't know. Is that normal for laundry pods? That they just like burst in the bag? Or do I have a problem? Because the last bag didn't have any burst. And I probably don't need to film every little thing I do. Obviously, I don't film myself in the bathroom. That's just weird. Get out of here. Yeah, Otis! Okay, I'm going to wash my hands real quick. Okay, so we just finished getting all the clean dishes out and putting in the dirty, which we have plenty of space for more. So we're going to go here. And then we got this little guy. We're going to slide it to dirty. So everyone knows to put their dirty dishes in there. Instead of over there. Yeah. I know, I gotta clean and organize all this. We have more spices than I have space for. Which isn't a bad thing. Hello, welcome. It is me from the editing booth because I am still getting the hang of this vlogging thing and figuring out what my style is. So we're bouncing between the two for the funsies. So for lunch, I had ricotta chicken with a little bit of doTERRA lemon oil in there. I will be having a second video with the actual recipe for this. If anyone is interested in that, the link will be down in the description. It'll also be in the iCard. So both places at once. Yippee! So while this was baking, I did work on editing this video together for you guys. And when it was done baking and everything was cooled down to the point where I could eat it, I ended up watching the latest Ryan Trahan video of him going to all 50 states in 50 days while raising money for St. Jude's, while I ate my ricotta chicken with some mandarin oranges and some water with a little bit of lemon oil in it. And it was absolutely divine. Lower than I'd like it to be.